Welcome to the English Listening Channel. Hello everyone. Today we are going to follow a simple and fun story. We will talk about transportation in London. In this video, Alex and Amelia explore the city. They will try different ways to travel. They will take the tube. They will ride a double-decker bus. And they will even take a famous black cab. Don't worry. I will speak slowly and clearly. So please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. What does Alex say is the most famous way to travel in London? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills. It will help you learn even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Amelia. Are you ready to go out today?
Good morning, Alex. Yes, I am so excited. This city is amazing.
I know. There are so many places to see. But first, we need to think about transportation.
Transportation? You mean how we travel in the city?
Exactly. London is a very big city, so we need to choose the best way to travel.
Okay, so what are the choices?
Well, the most famous one is the Tube. The London Tube is very well known around the world.
Oh, yes. I have heard about the tube. It sounds really convenient.
It is, and it runs from early morning until late at night.
Wow, that is amazing. Are there other ways to get around?
Of course. There are also buses. The red double-decker buses go through many streets in the city.
I like buses. You can see the city from the window.
That is true. And there are also taxis. The black cabs are very famous in London.
Oh, the black cabs. I see them everywhere. They look so cool.
They are a big part of London. When people think of London, they often think of black cabs.
That is true. I see them in so many movies, too.
Yes, they are everywhere. So, today, let's try many different ways of transportation.
That sounds like a great idea. Let's try the tube first.
Great! I heard the tube is one of the cheapest ways to travel here, too.
Really? That is good to know. Taxis are probably more expensive, right?
Yes, taxis cost more, but they are very easy to use. You just wave your hand, and one will stop for you.
That is so cool. Okay, let's go find the nearest tube station first.
Let's go.
I am so excited to get around the city today.
Alex and Amelia walk down the street to find a station.
Look, Amelia. Here is a tube station.
Oh, I see the sign. It has a big red circle and a blue line across it.
That is right. The tube is the most popular way to travel in London. Many, many people use it every day.
That is a lot of people.
Yes, the tube goes to almost every part of the city. It is very useful.
I am looking at the map. There are so many lines. It looks a little difficult.
I know it looks confusing at first, but it is actually not that hard.
Really? Can you explain it to me?
Sure. The most important thing to know is the direction. You need to know northbound, southbound, eastbound, and westbound.
Northbound and southbound? What do they mean?
Northbound means going north. So if you want to go to Camden, You take the northbound train.
Okay. So northbound is north. And southbound?
Southbound means going south. If you want to go to Waterloo, you take the southbound train.
That makes sense. Northbound is north and southbound is south.
Exactly. Now, let's go down the stairs to the platform.
The platform is where we wait for the train, right?
Yes, that is right. The platform is underground. Let's go!
Okay. I hope the train comes soon.
In London, trains come very often. We will not wait long.
That is nice. In some cities, you have to wait a long time for the train.
Not in London. Trains usually come every few minutes, so it is very convenient.
Great. I can hear a train coming now.
Perfect. That is our train. Let's get on.
Alex and Amelia step onto the train.
Wow, this train is fast.
Yes, it is. The tube is one of the fastest ways to move in London.
I like it. We are already at the next station.
That is the great thing about the tube. It does not get stuck in traffic, like cars and taxis do.
That is true. It is very convenient, but there are so many people on this train.
Yes, it is a little crowded right now, but this is not very crowded yet. You should see it during rush hour.
Rush hour. When is that?
Rush hour is in the morning around 7 to 9, and in the evening around 5 to 7. That is when people go to work and come home from work.
Oh, I see. So the trains get very crowded at those times.
Very, very crowded. Sometimes you cannot even find a seat.
That sounds difficult. But right now, it is not too bad.
Right. And look, we are moving so fast. The tube is really the best way to go long distances in London.
I agree. It is fast and convenient. I really like it.
And you know, the tube goes to almost every part of London. You can go to Greenwich, Westminster, and more. So you do not need a car in London.
Really?
Yes, many people in London do not have a car. They use the tube and buses every day.
That is very different from other cities. I think that is great.
Yes, it is very good for the environment, too. Less cars, less pollution.
That is a really good point. I like the tube even more now.
I am glad you like it. But you know what? After this, let's try the bus, too.
The bus? How is the bus different from the tube?
Well, the bus is slower, but you can see the city while you ride. The tube is underground, so you cannot see anything outside.
Oh, that is a good point. I want to see the city. Let's try the bus next.
Sounds good. We will get off at the next station and find a bus stop.
Okay, I can't wait.
Alex and Amelia walk out of the station.
Here we are. This is a bus stop. I can see the bus stop sign. It has a bus number and a route map on it.
Yes.
Each bus has a number, and each number follows a different route through the city.
I see. So we need to check the route to make sure the bus goes where we want.
Exactly. This bus goes along Oxford Street. We can see a lot of famous buildings.
That sounds wonderful. I love that the bus gives us a city view.
Yes, that is the best thing about the bus. The tube is fast, but the bus lets you enjoy the view.
How long do we have to wait for the bus?
Usually not too long. Maybe 5 to 10 minutes. It depends on the time of day.
That is not bad. I do not mind waiting a little.
And while we wait for the bus, we can enjoy the street. Look at all the people walking by.
London is so busy. Everyone is always walking somewhere.
That is how London is. People say it is a very fast city.
I can understand why. Everything is always moving here.
Oh, look. I think the bus is coming.
Yes, I can see it. It is a big red double-decker bus.
Let's get ready. When the bus stops, we get on from the front door.
Got it. I am ready. Oh, I want to ask the driver something. Is that okay?
Of course. Bus drivers are usually very helpful.
Good. I want to make sure this bus goes to Hyde Park.
Go ahead. I will wait here.
Amelia walks up to the bus driver.
Excuse me? Does this bus go to Hyde Park?
The driver smiles and nods. Yes, it does. This bus goes all the way up to Hyde Park.
Oh, great. How long does it take to get there?
It usually takes about 20 minutes, but it depends on the traffic.
20 minutes. That is not too long.
No, it is not bad, and you will pass by a lot of nice shops and beautiful buildings on the way.
That sounds nice. I am excited to see the city from the bus window.
You will enjoy it. The view is great, especially from the top floor.
Thank you so much for your help.
No problem. Have a nice ride.
Oh, one more question. Where should I sit to get the best view?
I think the seats at the very front are best. You will see everything clearly.
Thank you so much. That is very helpful.
Amelia and Alex go upstairs and sit at the front.
The view from up here is fantastic.
I know. I love riding the bus.
Later that day, Alex and Amelia are tired of walking.
I think my feet need a rest.
Mine too. Should we take a taxi?
Yes. Let's hail a famous black cab.
Alex waves his hand at a black taxi.
Hi. Can you take me to Big Ben, please?
Sure, no problem. Big Ben, right?
Yes, Big Ben. Thank you.
Okay, we are on our way, but I have to tell you. The traffic is a little heavy right now.
Oh, really? How long will it take?
It will take about 15 minutes, maybe 20 if the traffic gets worse.
That is okay. We are not in a hurry.
Good. You know, traffic in London is always busy, especially around the city centre.
I can see that. There are cars and taxis everywhere.
Yes, that is why many people take the tube. But taxis are good too. You can go anywhere you want.
That is true. With a taxi, you do not have to walk to a station or wait at a bus stop.
Exactly. You just get in and I take you there. That is the good thing about taxis.
I like that. Taxis are very convenient in London.
Yes. And you can find taxis everywhere in the city. Just look for the black cars.
We saw so many of them today. There really are a lot of taxis in London.
There are thousands of black cabs in this city.
Thousands! That is incredible.
Yes, there are a lot of them. Oh, look. We are almost at Big Ben now.
Oh, wow. I can see the giant clock tower. This is amazing.
Here we are, Big Ben. Have a good time.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too. Alex and Amelia step out of the cab.
Look at this place. Big Ben is incredible.
I know. The river, the people, the energy. I love it.
Me too. And you know what? Today was so much fun. We tried so many different ways of transportation.
We really did. We took the tube, the bus, and a taxi all in one day.
There are so many ways to travel in London. I was surprised.
Yes, that is what makes London so easy to get around. You always have many choices.
So, what was your favorite way of transportation today?
I think my favorite was the bus. I know it was slower than the tube, but it was so relaxing. I loved looking at the city through the window.
That is a good choice. For me, my favorite was the tube. It was so fast and easy. We got to our stop in no time.
The tube is really amazing. And the taxi was nice too. Very comfortable.
Yes, the taxi was comfortable, but the traffic was a little slow.
That is true. But the taxi driver was very friendly.
He was. Everyone we met today was very nice.
I agree. So, what did we learn today?
We learned that the tube is fast and convenient, but you cannot see the city, right?
Right. And the bus is slower, but you can enjoy the view. And taxis are comfortable, but sometimes the traffic is heavy.
Exactly. Every way of transportation has something good about it.
It was really fun to try so many ways of transportation today.
It was. London has so many ways to get around. That is one of the best things about this city.
I agree. I want to try more tomorrow.
Maybe we can try walking too. Walking is also a great way to see London.
That is true. There is so much to see on every street.
And there are also bikes. You can rent a bike and ride around the city.
Wow, there are really so many choices. London is an amazing city for transportation.
That sounds like a great plan. But for now, let's enjoy Big Ben.
Yes, today I learned so much about transportation in London. Thank you, Alex.
You are welcome. And thank you too. It was fun exploring together.
Let's go!
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What does Alex say is the most famous way to travel in London? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English, with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this. So, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel and please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. Alright, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.